Hello and welcome. Hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I want to talk about the return to home function of the Mini 2 SE. Now, the information is relevant to other drones as well, but we've got a demo flight later on, which is on the Mini 2 SE. We're looking at what the return to home function is, how it works, and how to set it properly. So let's get to it. Alright, so what is return to home? Well, basically what it does, it allows the drone to automatically return back to the home point. So what it will do, it will, if needed, it will raise its altitude to whatever you set it to and make its way straight back to the home point, which is usually your takeoff point, unless you have updated the home point during flight. So when does the return to home function activate? When's it needed? Well, there are a couple of conditions, and they are that you manually activate the return to home. There's a little icon on the left hand side in the middle, which you can select to bring the drone back. If it's lost signal between the drone and the controller, and for whatever reason, if it's out of range perhaps, or there's interference, or perhaps the controller has run out of battery, if you let that happen, if it dies for whatever reason, the drone will simply make its way straight back automatically. Now, the third condition would be when your batteries are low, so it'll automatically activate and start heading back. You can override it, of course. You do that at your own risk. But they're the three, I think they're the three only conditions that will activate the return to home function. So one of the most important settings that we need to make sure we get right before we leave the ground is the return to home altitude. Now, what this will do, this will instruct the drone to raise its altitude to whatever we set it to before making its way home. And what that does is that ensures that the drone is flying above any potential obstacles, trees or buildings or power lines, whatever it may be. So it is the most important setting that needs to be set. So let's have a look at how we do that. Okay, so to set the return to home altitude, very, very simple. On the home screen here, the three little dots in the top right hand corner, if we tap those, we've got a number of tabs along the top. The first one is safety, and right at the top there we have the auto RTH altitude. And it's here that you want to set the altitude that the drone will automatically send before making its journey back to the home point. So using the little slider, we can set that to whatever we want it to be. So in our case, we're going to set it at 50 meters. Once that's been set, you can literally tap off of that and you're all good to go. There we are, nice and easy. One thing to bear in mind though is if you're flying above the return to home altitude, say you're flying at 120 meters, the drone won't descend to your return to home altitude when it's activated. It will just stay at that altitude and fly straight back. So there are some other things to consider, which I've got another video which is a little more in depth, I suppose, of the return to home. So if you're interested, check that out. I'll link it in the description below. But there we go. So let's get out there and let's see the return to home in action. Okay, so we're down here at Pandy Park. This is the home of Tondi RFC, and this is where we're going to test the return to home feature. So obstacles we need to look out for here: the floodlights. We've got some trees and whatnot. Nothing too bad. Nothing too high. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set the return home altitude to about 50 meters to demonstrate, and we'll see how it goes. Alrighty, so let's get the drone in the air.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
There we go. So first thing the drone does as soon as it takes off is it automatically sets its home point. So that's perfect. So what we'll do now, some altitude and some distance. Weather's nice and calm. There's hardly any wind at all. So perfect flying conditions. So there we are, just heading out towards the Anasaudra Leisure Centre. Alright. And there we go. So, say for instance I've lost sight of my drone, I've lost my bearings, and I need the drone to return home. So what I'm going to do is hit this icon on the left hand side here, and then I'm going to choose return to home.
Return to home.
So the drone has now reorientated itself. It's going to adjust its altitude to 50 meters, which is what we set, and then it will begin its flight home. What it's going to do now, once it's hovering directly above the home point, it will then start its descent.
Landing.
And there we go. The drone has safely returned home. There we have it. Neat little safety feature, might just save your drone one day. So, hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe, drop me a comment down below, let me know your thoughts, and hopefully might see you in the next video. So until then, take care, safe flying. Bye bye.